Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. Today in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert and format times in Excel, how you can calculate times or working hours in Excel. So without time wasting, we are going to show you how to do that. So before you start, I'm requesting you, if you're new on this channel, hit the like button if you like this video, subscribe my channel and comments below. So without time wasting, let's start with the video. Let's go on my screen. So here I am on Excel now, and this is my demo data. I'm going to show you. There you can see that the start time, end time and total work. So here I'm going to show you how to insert or format time, okay, in Excel. So in three cell I'm going to show you how you can do that, okay. So first, if you need to add timeline and in order to calculate the timeline in cell, so first you have to select the cells where you want to enter times. So select the cell and click right, and in mouse click the right and click on format cell, and here you have to click on time, okay. And this is a time sample you can select from here, okay. So I'm going to select anyone you want to select. I'm going to select this one, okay. And make sure you select your location time, okay. I'm going to select English, United States. You can select as per your country and location or location. So okay, select here, click on ok. So time format has applied here. So if I click 7 here, then you can see the time has been come. 7 means, this is, ignore it. This is ignore it because this is only total, okay. If click 7, that time will become here 12 a.m. because as per time format 7 is like 12 a.m. and you can see the date also. This is date, okay. I think date is not, 1 second. Okay guys, I have click here 7, then you can see the 12 has been come here, okay. So now if you click enter the 7 and give the double comma and 00 and enter, you can see the am will become and in time if you select 16 and comma 00, the pm will become automatically here, okay. And if you want to the same procedure you can follow the rest of cell, okay. If you want to copy the all data, you can copy from here, okay. Just click on the format and just scroll down by clicking left button. Hold the left button of your mouse and data, the format will become like this, okay. 789, okay. If you want to start data, if you want to keep same start data, just select press shift and click and copy it simply, okay, and paste it, okay. That will be paste. And you want to change your end data, you can change by clicking, okay. So I'm clicking again, you can see 5 p.m. has become, okay. So if you enter 4 double comma 00, okay, it will come. So how to total work can you calculate in this case, you have to see our next video, and just next this video you can see it. This is for today, how to insert time and format in Excel, okay. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel and comments below.